What's this war in the heart of nature? Why does nature vie with itself? The land contend with the sea.
Same old cloud game kind of gets applied to the recognition of the sky, because it feels so good to recognize the sky is here. Get it? And then, ooh, we get caught up in cloud gazing again. But how do we see the endless infinite? It felt so good, but we're trying to figure out how we can arrange the clouds to see it again. So we can get them just so the cloud formation is just right so that we can notice the sky. So the sky will come back. Perhaps I can relax and enjoy my day.
The nature of language and self-relation is to come at it like this. To learn language, to acquire language, is to be otherized from the inside out. That is, babies babble, but when their babbling is responded to by others, the interiority of others allows for an entering in such that the person emerges by being otherized from the inside out.
You can always recognize this piece. You can always be this piece, subjectively. It's not an object.